Well, we just spent 2 days at the GSL Model Car Championship.
My mouth is still hanging open. I know it's not couth, but it's hanging open.
Well, and this has always been the most competitive model car championship on the planet, and therefore people come in from all over the planet to participate. But this year, over 700 cars.
Whoa.
And this year they had the finished Lynx project.
Oh my goodness.
These guys have been working on this project now for over 20 years.
Yeah.
And finally done.
These cars just totally amaze me. I mean, how do you know that's not just a full-size car?
Yeah, if it weren't for the fact it's sitting on a mirror. I mean, how would you know?
Yeah, I mean, they look so lifelike, real.
And it's the paint jobs that really blow my mind. I could never do a paint job.
And they're not
like
decals
that.
either.
There's so much to see here that this will be several different shows.
Yeah, it would have to be. There's just too much. I mean, too much. The eye can't begin to see it all.
Yeah, so we wanted to do a quick preview here, and then we're going to follow up in depth. And after, something like 40 years, this is the last one.
I feel shortchanged or something. I mean, I haven't only been part of this for such a short time.
And I was there day one for the very first one, which makes me feel very old.
Well, or lucky.
Lucky, but it's sad that this is going to be the very last one.
I know, I'm upset. I mean, I have a lump in my throat, I'm sorry.
Just amazing to see all these people from all over the world coming to compete at model car building.
What a hobby.
Well, we're not sure how you found this video on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring, and we will see you here on Sunday.
Right.
See you then.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.